Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, halfway through the week, September 12th, 2018. Just a couple reminders before we do our special announcements for today. We have early dismissal. Yes, today, early dismissal happening at 1:05 today. And for September birthdays, no birthdays to announce for today. There is nobody who has a birthday on September 12th today, that at least I have on the list. If you have a birthday on September 12th and we missed you, come see me. Let me know about it at some point in time today. Our lunch choices for today, we have cheese quesadilla, chicken patty sandwich, fiesta salad with corn chips are our three choices, along with Aztec corn, garbanzo beans, and crispy romaine lettuce, apples, banana, that are also diced pears, along with milk. And then also I had a suggestion for our role play activity. Boys and girls, if you do help out with our role play activity, it's really important to make sure that you keep a loud voice. It's not like I have microphones hooked up to you guys, so I know that you guys can be loud. I've heard you in the cafeteria. So let's try to make sure if I get your help for doing any of these role play activities, you got to speak up. So today's activity, it's a little bit better, but I'm still trying to work out some of the audio. So please bear with us. I'm sure that all of you are really excited to see your friends, but it's really important that our message is really kind of focusing on our pause and during our role play situations. All right, for today's role play, the setting, the bathroom. Yes, I said it, the bathroom, because the setting in the bathroom usually is one that causes problems because often we have lots of kids who should not be doing things in the bathroom, such as talking really loud. And that's the setting and the situation for today. We have two students that are being really loud in the bathroom, and then we have a student that comes by.
That was really funny. Boys, be quiet, I'm going to tell someone. Boys, you need to be quiet, or I'm going to tell someone.
So she did the appropriate thing. She's trying to calm them down and tell them, hey, boys, be quiet, I'm going to tell someone. So she told that to them twice, actually. So her next thing that she should probably be doing is to find an adult, either come by the office or actually go see their teacher to see why and how long these boys have been in the bathroom. Definitely not showing things of having a positive attitude, and definitely not showing respect, because those things are something that we work on here for pause. In this situation, the boys are not doing it. Now, of course, these boys are really good boys, and they're just role-playing, so this doesn't happen all the time. So just make sure that if we're in the bathroom, we're there to do something, we're there, we're out. So let's make it quick, quiet, and clean, and get out of there. All right. Our next thing is our moment of silence. All right, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please stand. Have your hand over your heart. I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, nice job, boys and girls. So let's have a great day today. It is Wednesday. Let's make some great choices and have some great behavior. And remember, from a role play situation, let's not be really loud in the bathroom or any other areas, especially such as like hallways and cafeteria. You make the choices. You make it a great day. Have a wonderful day.